So what I decided to do on this challenge was just to let you watch me create, and then at the end I would explain to you what it is. I can't lift it, well, I can lift it up, but my balloon, there's some wet paint under it, my little celebration things, everything is a celebration. And what it represents in this challenge is to make a piece of art using collage that reflects your ideal life as revealed by the Holy Spirit. So I didn't do anything like a collage of a fancy car or house or anything like that. What I did a collage of is just colorfulness and joy and happiness and what represents me. There's a paintbrush. I love flowers, so there's little kind of inspirational pieces that I created that kind of look like flowers. The peacock feather represents beauty and color and sparkles, and I have these blobs of paint that I've kept. I even keep my blobs. I keep my beautiful acrylic skins. I even keep a bag of blobs because I knew at some point in time I was going to do an art project with it. So these are the pieces that I just happened to pull from all that, was these blobs of paint, which are very colorful, and they represent the countless hours that I spend painting. And like I said, I always love flowers, so I had to have flowers somewhere in here because they represent to me the beauty of God's earth. I have a paintbrush because I'm an artist, and that represents what I've always been doing for the last 20-something years. I have these little figurines of little women, little girls that are old-fashioned, and a part of me is old-fashioned, and so I wanted that feel in this painting, a little bit of vintage nostalgia. You're my world, my life, my everything. That's my message to God. There's another message here. There's power in being kind, and that's why I share my art journey on YouTube, because I believe in sharing your knowledge with people. So I've got the word God and faith and yes, because I'm saying yes to God, just like, yes, God, use me however you want to use me to reveal the best to me and to those people that I touch in their lives. So I've got the little paper curly flowers, the balloon, and the little ribbon stuff here. It's like a present, a package, a surprise. My ideal life just means that God blesses me with surprises. He gives me inspiration, and He gives me everything I need in life. So the balloon and the ribbon and all, that represents God's gift to me, my talents of art and that kind of thing. So in a nutshell, that is what this piece represented. And so I had decided this is a 16 by 20 canvas, and I decided I would just do it. There's painter's tape too, blue painter's tape. I have used that for years and years. But this represents me in a nutshell. This was day 6 of creating a collage, and this is my collage. And I will bring it closer just so you can look up close. So here in the corner is the balloon, and when the picture is hanging, the balloon will be hanging down, and so will the ribbon. But I don't want it to hang down right now because the paint is still wet. But there's just up close stuff of the blobs and the tissue paper and the ribbons and the little vintage girls, the peacock feather, the blobs of paint, the words God and faith and yes, and I believe in being kind, and God is my everything. So here is my collage, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.